simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to.
We'll do the packing of orders. My team are packing orders. Ayan, you're packing orders. Ito yung paper bag. At yan yung mga orders. So hello, say hi. Hi to my vlog. Yan sila.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where I'd always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005, when we were still alive, when we were still alive. So let's go back to the beaches where I'd always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005, when we were still alive, when we were still alive. When we were still alive. When we were still alive.
Here's the studio. Our products. The shoes. And there yung t-shirts. And mga stocks.
No, I'm shutting it down when I pop out. Riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. Yeah. Riding with my girls looking so good. Playing my song, feeling so good. Only good vibes in my book. Yeah. All we wanna do is have a good time. I'm really loving the vibes, vibes. I'm feeling so free and alive when I'm outside. And if you want to rewind, it's the summertime. It's the summertime. It's the summertime. Headed to the beach, you can meet me there. Tell me when you get there. Texting this boy with the long hair. Yeah, sky so pretty as the sunset. Tell me what we're about to do next. No one is ready to go home yet. Yeah. time. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Time to wake up and step into the wild. Take a look around and put your fears aside. Surrounded by lions, hippos, giraffes and zebras. Jump into the rolling jungle full of rhinos and beggars. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Unknown discoveries are awaiting. Tropical rainbows dive into mountain springs. When the night falls, here come all kinds of species. Aardwolves, buffaloes, owls and bush babies.
So that's it guys. They're done packing the orders for our wholesaler.
Splendor. Honor and preserve